Season with salt and pepper, and when you're done with that and tossing it around, throw in a little bit of flour before we fry. Golden brown, we want a nice tan on that, you know? We want tan on that chicken. Frying, we about to get to the fun part and the best and tastiest part of it all. For the sauce, in a medium saucepan, take 1 cup of dark brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of minced ginger, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of water mixed with 3 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and mix on a medium heat until sauce thickens. Now take sauce, once it has thickened, right? Mix it together on the chicken. Make sure to coat all the pieces of the chicken so that you get all that tasty, flavorful sauce just everywhere. Don't be stingy with the sauce. And if you're lazy like me, just take the chicken and throw it in the actual saucepan and get to mixing so that you have less stuff to wash. Put the chicken with extra sesame seeds just for garnish. Time for the fried rice. Take 2 fresh eggs. Put the 2 eggs directly into the pan. Make sure the pan is coated with sesame seed oil and is very hot. Not too hot, but a medium high heat, and just stir. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and stir until the eggs are like a brownish color, but not too brown, but you can add as much soy sauce as you like for flavor. Cook eggs and place in a separate bowl to add later to the fried rice. Add vegetables to another hot pan with some green onions, preferably 5 or 6 stalks cut. And it's easy to cut green onions with a scissor. A knife is way too hard. Vegetables in a bowl and set aside till you fry the rice. Tablespoons of sesame oil to a pan on medium to high heat. Rice, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and fry. Time to mix in your eggs and your vegetables and cook a little more. One of my favorite recipes. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And for everyone that's curious about the crab ragoon on the plate, check my last recipe. Love y'all.